Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today we are diving into the world of prom fashion with a focus on the one of the most stunning and elegant colors, emerald green. This vibrant and luxurious shade is perfect for making a statement at prom, whether you are opting for a dress, suit, or coordinating couple's outfit. Emerald green is versatile and universally flattering, adding a touch of sophistication and glamour to any look. In this video, we will explore various ways to style emerald green prom couple outfits, ensuring you and your date look absolutely stunning on your special night. Let's get started. For a classic ball gown, use a floor-length emerald green ball gown with a fitted bodice and a full voluminous skirt, along with the pair with silver or gold jewelry, a clutch or strappy heels. Opt for an elegant updo and soft natural makeup with a touch of shimmer. For sleek mermaid dress look, use an emerald green mermaid dress with a sweet heart neckline and a fitted silhouette that flares out at the knees, along with statement earrings, a bracelet, and peep toe heels. With loose waves or a half up, half down hairstyle and bold makeup with a dramatic lip color. For A-line gown, use an A-line emerald green dress with a deep V-neck and delicate lace or beadwork, dainty necklaces, a matching clutch, and an ankle strap, heels, soft curls, and a natural makeup look with a pop of color on eyes for hair and makeup. For classic tuxedo, an emerald green tuxedo with a black satin lapel with white dress shirt and black bow tie, black dress shoe, cufflinks, and a pocket square. Make sure that suit is tailored to perfection for a sharp and polished look. For modern suit look, use a slim fit emerald green suit with a matching vest, white dress shirt and a patterned tie, brown or black dress shoes, a leather belt, and a wristwatch can be used as an accessories. Add a boutonniere that matches your date's bouquet for a cohesive look. For velvet blazer, an emerald green velvet blazer paired with black dress pants, a white dress shirt, and a black bow tie, black loafers, cufflinks, and pocket square. Velvet adds a luxurious touch, perfect for making a statement at prom. For complementary use, the key to a stunning prom couple look is coordination. If one person is wearing an emerald green dress, the other can wear a black suit with emerald green accents like a tie, pocket square, or boutonniere. Matching jewelry and accessories that complement the emerald green theme. Consider coordinating your shoes and hairstyles to create a harmonious look. For a cohesive look, both individuals can wear outfits in the same shade of emerald green. A dress for one and a suit or blazer for the other creates an unified appearance. Choose accessories in neutral tones like black, silver, or gold to let the emerald green shine. Keep the accessories and makeup simple to avoid overpowering the rich color. If one person prefers a more subdued look, they can wear a classic black or white outfit with emerald green accents such as their tie, pocket square, or jewelry. The person wearing the main emerald green outfit can complement this with matching accessories. Balance is key. One outfit should have the dominant color while the other incorporates it through accents. Thank you so much for joining Luna Fashion and Beauty. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fashion inspiration. Let us know in the comments. Thank you for